In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring payments on Zelle Wells Fargo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using Zelle through Wells Fargo, you can make it a recurring payment. So anytime you pay someone, that payment can be repeated for a set period of time or until you disable it. So you can do this either through the mobile app or the website. I'm going to be teaching you how to do it through the website on the online banking section. So you sign into your account, go over to transfer and pay, and choose send money with Zelle. If you are doing this through the mobile app, then find the Zelle option and select it. Now you will see the description here, send money with Zelle. In here, you will have the scheduled category. If you have any active scheduled payments, you can choose this category to check, but if you don't, it is going to give you the option to set up a payment. So you can choose set up payment or simply choose send, and now you can input the details. So select the recipient from the list or add a new one. And once you have chosen the recipient, you will input the amount. And finally, you can start setting up a recurring payment. As you can see here, how often starts and ends. So choose how often this payment will be done. For example, weekly, monthly, every 2 months, every 3 months, and so on. When it is going to start, you can choose the current date if you would like to issue a payment now and also start with the recurring payments, and when it is going to end. So you can set it to where it never ends until you cancel it manually. You can set it so it ends after 3 months. You can set it so it ends on a specific date. It's up to you. After all of this is set up, you can double check the amount, the frequency in which this transfer will be repeated, and when it ends. So in this example here, when I cancel. If everything looks okay, just click scheduled, and now the recurring payments will be started. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.